Hey,
There's Tanner.
you see me?
I can see you now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are, I don't know if you can see around. There's Sergio.
Uh,
Sergio
huh?
had an accident today. He was following me. We'll let him tell the story.
It's all your fault, Tanner.
Yeah.
It's all you're a bad influence, Tanner, you know?
Yeah.
And I guess the wheelbase from a TJ to a JT are slightly different.
Oh,
And
what do you think? Yeah,
and it was all going great until it wasn't. And then I
until
went
it-
boom, and it went boom, boom.
What did you
That's pretty
bring,
much what happened.
Sergio?
So he touched his body a little bit on the Gladiator.
Uh-oh. Doesn't he
So
have
he needs,
sliders?
well, yes, he needs a set of, let's see.
Oh.
We're gonna have to go TNT. We're gonna have to put some TNT sliders now because the
Uh-huh.
stock Rubicon didn't cut it.
That's a little too late. You should have had them before you left.
Well, I mean, but there's a battle scar. You know, it's a cool story. Now I have to say, well, it's Tanner's fault.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
It's always my fault. So who do you work for?
We're doing the Warn ride actually.
Yep.
So we're having fun at the back of the pack. We decided to tail gun the trail, and we're trying all the other different lines that nobody else wants to try. So yeah, it's all your fault, man.
Yep, yeah, it's all my fault. I think Justin's over there on the phone. He's doing work.
Doing
So,
Hi, Justin.
and then we're on a Wayne's World, which they're calling Warren's World. Then we went up and saw the monument at the Fallen. Right now there's a big old sand dune that these guys are lining up for to go up. So they're doing that. I don't know how well the camera shows up, but you can see we're on the far side of the park.
Yep. Yep.
So,
Yep. Looks like it's a beautiful day.
oh yeah, it's rained the past couple of days, and then today is awesome. So
Perfect.
Bob, you got to get your TJ done so we can come out here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And Rex.
And we need a few more helpers to help him work on it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. I just stepped in a red ant pile, so I'm gonna walk away.
Maybe you got to walk where you're walking.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. So they're all doing that right now. We got a good group with us. Some JKs, some Toyotas, some XJs, some Gladiators. So it's fun. It's fun. I did double Sammy in the shoot 2 days ago, and we tied for second at the golf tournament. So,
sweet. Next year you need one more guy that golfs like you, huh?
I'm just gonna invite all my friends from college that are PGA pros, and we're just gonna wipe the floor with everyone. So there's off-roaders and there's golfers, and they don't really match very often, and so.
He says, how big is your group?
There's probably 12 to 15 of us.
Oh, that's not too bad.
I also stepped in a cactus earlier, so I wasn't watching where I was going.
That's a newbie for Indiana boy, huh?
Yeah, well, my mom actually has cactus in her landscaping, but you don't walk into them on accident.
Yeah.
So,
Cotty says he's glad you have a small group. Yeah, small groups are fun. Some of those events out there can be kind of big. So this is good. These are all the Warren guys again that you're with?
So I didn't even know I was signing up with them. But yeah, this is Warren. Actually, it's my turn to go up the hill next, so I probably got to let you guys go.
All right. Okay. Have a great time. Thanks for tuning in. Say hi to Justin for us.
Yep. Yeah, we'll do.
Okay.
So,
all right.
talk to you guys later.
Bye-bye.